name is Charmaine and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to do a really short video, and when I mean short, I'm going to show you how to remove a background within 5 seconds. Let's check it out. First thing you gotta do is just go to your browser. I use Google Chrome. It's right here at the bottom. Okay. Then you gotta do is put in the bar. You put remove .bg, remove.bg. Click on it, and here's the website. Basically, we're gonna remove a background from an image within 5 seconds. So you have to select the photo. I'm gonna choose a photo real quick. Make this image transparent. You could also do this on Photoshop, but it's way more time consuming than this website. So this is a really nice website. So I'm going to choose this photo right here of my son. Open. See, I've been working. Okay, and that's my son. And then they just basically cut out the background of the car right here. But I really don't like this picture, so I'm gonna do a different one. Let's see. This one. Okay, this is a better picture. This is my son. It's like he's squeezing his dog to death, but he's not. He just is the first day he got his puppy. So I'm going ahead and use this one. Then all you have to do is just push download. And then it makes it to a PNG file right here. And then you open it. And there it is. Easy as could be. A photo. And it's with a white background. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment bar below. And if you enjoy the content of this video, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. And also visit my Facebook page. It's called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. We do a lot of tutorials on that page. We have a lot of fun. And also, if you'd like to see some of my work that I do, if you'd like to see some of my products that I design, visit my website, www.charminggalboutique.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.